Education is one of the treasures that we can have in our lives that doesn't anyone can take it. Every student faces a lot of silent battles in their daily life, not just in a classroom, but also in their home, that can affect their mental health, the pressure, and the academic, and the expectation.
Good afternoon, class. Today is going to be at the exam na magabian, ikaw na saya. I will announce next week's our examination, so we have to settle your routine and next week na have your exam. You'll be filled. Thank you.
Activities, exam, what should I do now? Uy, si Julius, nag-aaral. Ano to? Uy, balik niyo sa akin yan. Ito! Next week na po yung examination natin. Minute to celebrate natin dito.
Sige, mamaya. Bibigyan ako. Pero siguro din mo makapasa ka. Ayoko nang walang may night. Sige na.
Pagod na ako, di ko na alam ang gagawin ko. Sumama ang taas ng expectation, anong gagawin ko?
Expectation that gives you pressure all over your academic.
Good morning, class. Today is your examination. Pakilabas ng mga training. Good morning, class. Nandito na yung result ng exam. Some of you is bumasa naman. Yung iba, nag-relax next time. Perfect now. San Juan. Galay. Gusto sa talas. Bakit ganito yung score mo? Ang baba.
Ginawa ko naman ang lahat, bakit ganito yung score ko? Muli pa sila, patawa-tawa lang. Pero hindi ko rin sa kanila lahat. Sapat na sila.
Nalito ka na. Basta exam. Oh, ba't ang baba nito? Sabi ko, ikaw dapat na umasa.
Ginawa ko naman po ang inyong best ko eh.
Sa susunod ha, dapat mataas yan.
Hindi na lang, puro na lang sila. Wala silang ibang masabi sa akin. Ginawa ko naman yung lahat. Puro na lang sila. Ganun yung sinasabi nila. Hindi pa rin sa kanila sapat. Siguro wala yung kalusugan ko. Magpapahinga muna ako. Respect from colleagues, it helps their mental health. Eventually, there's a lot of things happen. Always choose to respect and kindness to every individual.
Moral support, not just in academic, but in their side. Student deserves a moral support from everyone, especially from their parents. Every student deserves it.
And always ask them, how are you? Simple asking but quietly helpful for him. Smiling outside but with peace inside. There's a lot of unsaid thoughts that they want.
Every effort you give is enough, and every challenges you face, we're always learning from it. Don't put yourself in the loss. In this world, always remember you're worth it.
It's okay to pause for a while and continue again no matter how hard it is. You may be tired, but you're not defeated. Keep fighting for the future you deserve.
Don't measure your progress by someone else. Your journey is uniquely strong. Even on the day you feel unnoticed, your courage is doing the loudest work.
But all battles are lost. Some are fought in silence with a heart that refuses to quit.
You're not alone. Reach out.